Let me say this plainly. The reason you don't respect yourself has nothing to do with confidence, talent, or luck. It's because you keep breaking promises to yourself. Most men don't hate themselves. They're not lazy. They're not incapable. They're disappointed. Disappointed because they know who they could be, and they keep watching themselves fall short. You tell yourself you'll wake up early. You don't. You tell yourself you'll train consistently. You don't. You tell yourself you'll focus, study, build, save, grow. And somehow, days pass, weeks pass, years pass, and each time you don't follow through, something quiet breaks inside you. Not loudly, not dramatically, but slowly. You stop trusting your own word. And when a man doesn't trust himself, self-respect disappears. Most people misunderstand discipline. They think discipline is about productivity, or routines, or waking up at 5 a.m. It's not. Discipline is about integrity with yourself. It's about this simple question. When I say I'm going to do something, do I do it? Every time you follow through, you deposit trust into yourself. Every time you don't, you withdraw from it. Self-respect is nothing mystical. It's built through evidence. You respect the man who keeps his word, even when it's inconvenient or unseen. Let's make this real. It isn't about perfect mornings or aesthetic habits. It's about ordinary moments. Getting out of bed when no one is watching. Finishing work even when motivation disappears. Training your body when excuses feel reasonable. Saying no to comfort when discipline would build you. No applause, no audience, just you. Canned your decision. This is where most men fail. Not because they can't do it, but because no one is holding them accountable, except themselves. And when you let yourself off the hook, your word doesn't matter. Discipline creates follow-through. Follow-through creates trust. Trust creates self-respect. Self-respect creates strength. And strength makes discipline easier. But the opposite loop exists too. Avoidance creates excuses. Excuses create self-doubt. Self-doubt creates weakness. Weakness kills discipline. That's why motivation never lasts. Motivation doesn't build trust. Only action does. Many men chase confidence, but confidence without discipline is fragile. You can feel confident today and ashamed tomorrow if your actions don't match your standards. True confidence isn't loud. It's quiet. It comes from knowing, I do what I say I'll do. That's why disciplined men don't seek validation. They don't need it. They already trust themselves. A lack of discipline doesn't just slow your progress, it erodes your identity. You stop seeing yourself as reliable. You hesitate when opportunities come. You doubt your ability to handle responsibility. And eventually, you lower your standards. That's the real cost. Not missed goals, not wasted time, becoming a man who expects less from himself. So how do you rebuild it? Not with massive goals, not with dramatic overhauls. You rebuild self-respect, one decision at a time. One, choose one daily non-negotiable. One thing you do every day, no matter what. Train, study, work, walk, read. Keep it simple. 2, make the promise small but sacred. Never break it, ever, even on bad days, especially on bad days. 3, track follow-through, not results. The goal isn't progress at first. The goal is trust. When you begin keeping promises to yourself again, something changes. Your posture shifts, your voice steadies, your decisions sharpen. That's self-respect returning. Listen to me. No one is coming to save you, but you don't need saving. You need structure. You need standards. You need discipline. Not because life demands it, but because you do. The man you want to become is built in moments no one sees. And every time you follow through, you vote for that man. Self-respect isn't found. It's built. Built every morning you don't quit. Every evening you don't escape. And the more you build it, the less you'll need motivation. If this video spoke to you, subscribe to Monarch. Like the video if you're committed to becoming better than yesterday. And tell me in the comments, what promise to yourself have you been breaking?